starting of the relationship was discussing about me. Because there was one time Otega called me. So that
That's not a phone name for this kind of talk.
There was one time he called me, that he called me.
You don't make Jason. I thought you want rice.
He called me one time. I heard him. He said that he feels like me. I should pretend.
Yeah, let me help you.
And I said,
because it's not good.
It's not like I want to eat too. I just want to help you.
He said he feels like I pretend a lot. That was just the day, 2 days before she said I'm fake.
It may seem as though I've been blessed with food.
So that's why I said, then they use me, they converse.
Jason.
Because
do you have
how can you call me and tell me that?
Sorry?
Do you have steak?
I'm fake.
Upstairs.
Are you hearing Soso?
Where?
In my wardrobe.
He called me and said that
which side?
He feels like I'm fake.
First drawer.
I said, why do you say so? He not emphasized. He not said because I
just
act
see
like
there.
I'm tough, but he feels like I'm very soft.
First drawer, I'll see
I
there.
said that's not saying I'm fake. Do you hear what I said? When he said he called me one day, that was like 2 days before she said
yes,
that.
and then after 2 days when I can't call you fake.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, but that time when he called me, he said he feels
no,
like
but
I'm
their
fake
kiss
that I
happened like
pretend.
before he
No,
goes.
wait now,
Their kiss
I
happened.
know, yes, now I noticed it, but the starting of their theme was discussing about me. Don't worry, I know that one very well. So he called me that day. He was like, he feels like I'm fake. I said, how? He said, he feels like I'm pretending. I said, how do you mean emphasize? He said, I feel like I'm a very soft person, but I'm acting like I'm tough. I'm like, that does not guarantee or...
No, but I think I agree with that anyway.
No, but that does not mean I'm fake or pretending. No,
but he didn't
of
put
course
it in
I'm
the nice
soft.
in the context.
I've never ever told anybody that I'm strong. But I have somebody I have to be strong too. I'll be strong for.
Yeah.
I have my son, so I'm not going to be acting soft, everything. I have somebody to look after, so I have to be strong. This doesn't classify me as fake. I'm not fake, no, or pretending. I'm very soft. I'm still very strong. Taking care of somebody for 14 years, is it easy? I'm still very soft though. Not me, they cry every 2 minutes. She be the day cake left. Don't be cry till how many hours ago. So after she now said that, now I can't say no worry. So if they don't use me,
Rude boy.
discuss. They'll be alright.